Get ready to be blown away because Nothing is back with a bang. In today's video, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated release of the Nothing Phone 2. Brace yourselves for the ultimate flagship killer experience. The Nothing Phone 2 is here to deliver the true flagship experience we've all been waiting for. How, you may ask? By harnessing the incredible power of the Snapdragon A Plus Gen 1 processor. You know, the same processor found in Samsung's folding masterpiece, the Galaxy Z Fold. With this beast under the hood, performance is set to reach new heights. But it's not just about raw power. Nothing has gone the extra mile to ensure optimal performance by collaborating directly with Snapdragon. This means that the processor has been finely tuned and tailored exclusively for the Nothing Phone 2 and its operating system. Get ready for a seamless, buttery smooth experience like never before. Now, let's talk about capturing those unforgettable moments. The Nothing Phone 2 is equipped with a flagship camera ISP that brings professional features right to your fingertips. Imagine shooting stunning 4K videos at 60 frames per second. Plus, with the introduction of HDR RAW capability, your photos will be bursting with vibrant colors and incredible dynamic range. And guess what? The pricing is going to blow you away too. Since the Snapdragon A Plus Gen 1 is a year old, it's not as pricey as it once was. That means Nothing can keep the price tag within reach for most people. We're talking about a flagship experience without breaking the bank. The Nothing Phone 2 is expected to hit the market at an astonishingly affordable price, somewhere around the $500 range. Now, let's talk about design. The Nothing Phone 2 is a true masterpiece, building upon the success of its predecessor. While there might be some subtle slide-to-X enhancements, the overall design will stay true to Nothing's brand identity. Trust me, folks, you won't find anything else like it in the sea of smartphones out there. Oh, and here's some exciting news for all you photography enthusiasts out there. The Nothing Phone 2 is rumored to pack 3 camera sensors, potentially introducing optical zoom for the first time. Imagine capturing those stunning portrait mode shots with incredible clarity and detail. But it doesn't stop there. Nothing has proven its commitment to providing an exceptional software experience. They have consistently delivered fast updates, fixing bugs and introducing performance enhancements. In fact, the Nothing Phone 2 is even compatible with the Android 14 beta. Expect a refined, stable, and lightning-fast software experience. Now, I know you're eager to get your hands on the Nothing Phone 2, and guess what? The wait won't be too long. The release is just around the corner, happening in the summer months. That's right, folks, mark your calendars for a late June or mid-July release. And this time, the phone will also be available in the US, expanding its reach to even more excited fans. With the perfect blend of performance, camera capabilities, stunning design, and an affordable price, the Nothing Phone 2 is shaping up to be an absolute game-changer. So, what are your thoughts on this highly anticipated flagship killer? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.